Imagine you're sitting on your couch, scrolling through Netflix, and suddenly your internet connection drops. You're annoyed, but you figure it's just a temporary glitch. Then your phone rings. It's your Ooma customer service representative, informing you that your service has been terminated. How frustrating would that be? And what if you didn't even know your Ooma service was about to end? That's why today, we're going to dive into the world of Ooma and explore how to quit the service gracefully. Understanding Ooma. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of canceling your Ooma service, let's take a moment to understand what it is. Ooma is a popular VoIP, voice over internet protocol, provider that offers affordable phone service. It's a great alternative to traditional landline phones, especially for those who want to cut costs. However, like any other service, Ooma may not be the right fit for everyone. Perhaps you're moving to a new location, or maybe you found a better deal elsewhere. Whatever your reason for wanting to quit, we've got you covered. Steps to cancel your Ooma service. Now, let's get to the main event, canceling your Ooma service. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Log in to your Ooma account. The first step is to log in to your Ooma account. You can do this by visiting the Ooma website and entering your login credentials. Navigate to the settings page. Once you're logged in, look for the settings or account page. This is where you'll find the option to cancel your service. Locate the cancellation option. The exact wording of the cancellation option may vary slightly, but it should be easy to find. Look for something like cancel service, terminate account, or deactivate account. Follow the instructions. Click on the cancellation option and follow the on-screen instructions. Ooma may ask you to confirm your decision or provide a reason for canceling. Review your billing. Before you finalize the cancellation, make sure to review your billing information. Ooma may charge you a cancellation fee, so it's important to understand the terms and conditions. Confirm your cancellation. Once you've reviewed your billing, you'll typically need to confirm your cancellation. This might involve clicking a button or entering a confirmation code. While the steps above should be straightforward, there are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Timely cancellation. If you're planning to cancel your Ooma service, it's important to do so in a timely manner. Some providers may charge you a fee if you cancel your service early. Transfer your number. If you're switching to a new phone provider, you may want to transfer your phone number. Ooma can help you with this process. Back up your data. Before canceling your Ooma service, it's a good idea to back up any important data or recordings. Contact customer service. If you have any questions or encounter problems during the cancellation process, don't hesitate to contact Ooma's customer service. Quitting Ooma doesn't have to be a stressful experience. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can cancel your service quickly and easily. Remember to review your billing information and transfer your phone number if necessary. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.